From the National Weather Service in Gaylord, Michigan, welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and east upper Michigan. This was last updated around 5 p.m. Tuesday, April 16th, 2013. Summarizing the upcoming hazards for the remainder of the week, quite a bit to talk about with some major impacts possible. The first one being heavy rainfall possible across all of northern Michigan Wednesday night through Thursday night, with the potential impacts of lowland flooding near rivers and streams, which may experience significant rises as we head into the latter portions of this week and into the upcoming weekend. Accompanying the heavy rainfall will be some thunderstorms possible across all of northern Michigan for the same time frame, but no severe weather is expected. Looking at the current weather map from this past afternoon shows high pressure from north central Canada extending into the Great Lakes region, bringing fair weather to the area. I do want to draw your attention to a frontal boundary which is draped from eastern Canada extending through the Ohio Valley and back into the southern plains. It is this frontal boundary which will shift northward through time, along with several waves of low pressure riding along this boundary, which will contribute to several rounds of moderate to heavy rainfall across northern Michigan. The forecast weather map for Wednesday morning still shows relatively quiet weather for us as this frontal boundary approaches. Once we head into the latter parts of Wednesday, more specifically Wednesday night, this front will draw near and the first of two low pressure systems will ride along this boundary with periods of moderate to heavy rain and even a few thunderstorms continuing through Wednesday night and into the day on Thursday. The first of two low pressure systems will scoot into eastern Canada, while the second one quickly follows on its heels, which brings continued heavy rain and thunderstorms through the day Thursday and into Thursday night. By Friday, the bulk of the heaviest rainfall should be north and east of our forecast area, with just some showers lingering. Much colder air will filter in behind this low pressure system once we head into the latter parts of Friday into Friday night, with some light snow possible. Some accumulations are also possible across the eastern UP, although they don't look too significant at this time. By Saturday morning, high pressure begins to build in, and this event will begin to wind down. Looking at the severe weather hazards, at least through Thursday morning through Friday morning, through the event, any severe weather will be well south and west of our forecast area. The closest that the slight risk threat gets to is downstate lower Michigan, with just general thunderstorms again expected for our region. The main concern with these couple of systems will be very heavy rainfall. And this is a graphic courtesy of the Weather Prediction Center of 3-day precipitation totals through Friday morning. And the brighter magentas and reds correspond to anywhere between 2 to in excess of 3 inches of rainfall. Now, I don't want anyone to key in on these exact totals just yet and take them with 100% confidence. There will be likely some slight changes in both possibly the rainfall amounts and the axis of heaviest rainfall with time. So those that live in flood-prone areas and low-lying areas should be very cognizant and pay attention to the updated forecast, especially as we head to the next 24 to 48 hours. Really quickly summarizing the weather for tonight, high pressure will bring partly cloudy skies to the area with temperatures in the 20s, increasing clouds late. The main concern will really begin Wednesday evening and continue through Thursday night as periods of moderate to heavy rain along with thunderstorms will be possible. No severe weather is expected, but again, with the heavy rain expected combined with antecedent conditions of snowmelt, along with previous heavy rainfall that we've experienced over the last week or so, we have issued a flood watch across the entire forecast area, which runs again from Wednesday night into Friday morning. This concludes the afternoon hazardous weather briefing. We thank you for listening in. The next scheduled hazardous weather briefing is around 4 to 5 a.m. for Wednesday morning. And don't forget to find us and find updates on this hazardous weather situation on Facebook, Twitter, and the briefing, of course, on YouTube as well.